So what's happening, people? What's happening? Welcome to the Cannon again with good news. Arsenal has taken a massive leap in this Premier League title race by beating Everton by 2 goals to 0. Everton gave 100%, but all they got was zero points and 0 goals. My voice is still a bit messed up. I was screaming, shouting, swearing. It was a tough game. A game that actually deserved a draw. But I think this game actually showed that the team with a bigger squad, better quality, can actually prevail and get the 3 points. Everton had a lot of good opportunities to score goals. They hit the bar. Raya had to make, I think, up to 2 to 3 very good saves to prevent Everton from scoring a goal. But enter Victor Gyökeres, Max Baumann. I'm not going to say Martinelli because it was the same old Martinelli performance. But enter Victor Gyökeres and Max Baumann. Victor Gyökeres, our striker signing, and he scored his 11th Premier League goal of the season. A nice 2-yard tap in, crossed in by Max Baumann, and then Max Baumann ran half of the pitch and scored his our second goal of the match, which makes Max Baumann the youngest Premier League goal scorer in the history of the Premier League. So, and after that game, we actually took a 10-point lead, and then we actually had to wait for Manchester City to get done with their game. And as I've just checked, I didn't watch the game. I wasn't interested. I was too hyped up after our game. But yeah, it's Manchester City 1, West Ham United 1. And they drew the game, and now we have a 9-point lead. And this is after the 31st match for Arsenal. And obviously Manchester City still has those games in hand. So this is a great leap into our title charge for this season. Very proud of the team. Max Baumann will obviously get the man of the match performance. Bukayo Saka sucked again. Our defenders played very well. But yeah, we take this lead and we move.